In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive backup on your laptop. This process is quite simple and straightforward, and by following the steps I'm about to walk you through, you'll be able to manage your backup settings in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to free up some space, prioritize which files get backed up, or you simply prefer using a different cloud storage solution, this tutorial has got you covered. First up, you'll need to open the OneDrive app on your desktop or laptop. It's important to note that OneDrive typically comes pre-installed on Windows computers, and you can easily find it by searching for OneDrive in your start menu if you're using a Windows 10 or 11 machine. For Mac users, if OneDrive isn't already installed, you can download it from the App Store and follow the setup instructions. Once the OneDrive app is open, your next step is to navigate to the sync and backup options. This part is crucial for managing how your data is synchronized between your computer and OneDrive's cloud servers. Look for a settings icon or a similar option within the app's interface to find this setting. The exact location may vary depending on your app version, but it's usually accessible from the main dashboard or under a settings tab. After clicking on sync and backup, you'll see an option to manage backup. Selecting this will take you to a screen where you can see exactly what folders and files are currently set to backup automatically to OneDrive. It's here where you'll have the power to fine-tune your backup settings. This flexibility is essential for managing your storage effectively, especially if you're working with limited cloud storage space or a data cap on your internet service. Next, you'll want to click on Backup Folders on this PC. This option brings up a list allowing you to choose which files you want to back up. It's a good practice to regularly review these settings to ensure that only essential data is backed up, thus saving space and bandwidth. You might find folders selected by default that you don't need or want backed up. Unchecking these will stop them from being synchronized with the cloud. As you're adjusting these settings, keep in mind the significance of what you're choosing to back up and what you decide to leave out. Documents, pictures, and other irreplaceable files are typically good candidates for backup. On the other hand, large files that can be easily re-downloaded or replaced, like video games or software installers, might be better left off your backup list to conserve space. In conclusion, managing your OneDrive backup settings is a straightforward process that can make a big difference in how you use cloud storage and keep your important files safe. By taking a few minutes to adjust these settings, you can ensure that you're only backing up what truly needs to be backed up and preserving your available space for the stuff that matters most. Remember, it's always a good idea to periodically check your backup settings, as changes in how you use your devices or what files you deem important can evolve over time. Adjusting these settings as needed will help keep your digital life organized and your important files securely backed up to the cloud. That's all for today's tutorial on stopping OneDrive backup on your laptop. I hope you found these steps helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate your digital world with ease.